Welcome. In front of me is an iPad 10th Gen, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this tablet. Now, for this you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device somewhere in the box between paperwork. But if you can't find this little thingy thing, you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, once you have either one, you want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located on the same side that you have your volume buttons, just at the bottom of it, or side, depending on how you're holding it. But anyway, you will have one of these things right here. Wherever you see this, simply take the tool, put it into this insert pin, and just to kind of show this, push it in, and the tray pops out, just enough for you to use your fingernail to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card, which is still more than the iPhone 14s sold in US. But anyway, let's pop it back in. And as you can see, it pops out automatically with the unlock your SIM. So I'm gonna tap right here, unlock. I'll need to provide my SIM card pin. Very complicated for me. There we go, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.